girl, Hypnotic Lady, and I'm back with another hair tutorial for you guys. Today I will be showing you how I installed this glueless full lace unit. I use no glue, no gel, no tape, or any type of adhesive. I literally only use the styling mousse to lay down my baby hairs, and that was it. So if you would like to see how I got this look, please stay tuned. All right guys, so the company today that I am working with is called A-List Hair. This is their Tiffany unit. It is a glueless full lace body wave wig in 20 inches. It comes styled in these two braids right here that you see. I lost the rubber band for one, so it's kind of coming undone, so excuse that. But yeah, so it comes styled in these two braids right here. And y'all, I'm in love. Like, this hairline looks so good. Like, I didn't have to plug none of this. It came like this. Literally all I did, it comes with like baby hairs on the side, and I plugged those a little bit. You'll see it in the install portion. I did not bleach the knots at all, y'all. Like, I'm in love with this unit, y'all. And you can find this at their website. Again, this is A-List Hair. Their website is www.alisthair.com. Again, this is the Tiffany unit. It is a glueless full lace 20-inch body wave, and it comes styled in these two goddess braids. This is the back. Super, super cute. I got like a few strands from the ends of the braids with shedding, and then of course tangling. I haven't had any problems because I have wanted to keep it in these braids because y'all can't braid for nothing. So I wanted to actually show y'all like what it looks like fresh out of the packaging. All right, so back to packaging. Shipping was 2 to 3 days. FedEx, you know, regular. It came in this box right here, and on it says A-List Hair, and it was just like a regular silver envelope. Super, super big, but it was really, really cute. I thought this just looked professional, you know, all fancy and stuff. Came with some silver wrapping paper, and inside, of course, was the wig, the hairnet, the lace wig cap, and then maintenance on the wig and the company tips, tricks to take care of your lace. The fact that this came to me braided, it comes to you styled. Like, A-List, y'all are winning. A-List, they treat you like you are an A-lister for real. Like, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye. All right guys, so we're gonna jump straight in. You already did your stocking cap method. The next thing that you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna take your wig, and I'm just gonna show you what the inside looks like, what the whole wig looks like. It's super, super cute. It did come with a little elastic band that they sewn in that you can take out if you want, and then it has 3 clips. Next thing you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna tint the lace with your foundation powder of your choice. Just do the inside of the lace. Once you get that done, you're gonna go in and make sure it matches your skin tone, and then we're gonna cut the lace off. Take you some small, kind of like precision scissors, and cut around the perimeter of the hairline until you get it all the way. Then you're gonna throw that to the side. Now we're gonna put our wig on and make sure everything is laying right and looking good. Alright, next thing we're going to do is we're going to go in and comb through our baby hairs, get everything sectioned out, looking neat. You're going to make sure everything looks good on both sides, pick out all the baby hairs. The baby hairs came pre-plucked with this unit, so if you do order, you will not have to do that. That is a plus. Now we're going to just tweeze a little bit. This is optional. Like I said, it does come pre-plucked already, obviously, as you can see. But I chose to go in and pluck it just a little bit more. So yeah, just pluck it if you want to. If not, you can skip this step. So yeah. Next, you're going to go in and cut your baby hairs. Don't kind of cut it at a straight angle. Try to go diagonally. Cut it on both sides. Go ahead and get everything layered and looking nice. Now you're going to take a mousse of your choice. I got this from my local beauty supply store. You can use any mousse if you want. If you're going to use adhesive, I advise getting alcohol free. But yeah, so just go in and we're just going to lay our baby hairs. Just going to do something real simple, not nothing drastic, real natural like. This is so easy, so simple. Like A-list, y'all came in clutch with this. Last thing we're going to do is we're going to take some of our same powder that we used for the lace, go in and just define our part a little bit more, our baby hairs a little bit more. You want to make sure everything looks natural, blend, 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 and then that will be the last touch, y'all. Alright guys, this is the finished product. Like I said, super easy. All I had to do was literally cut the baby hairs and style them, and then we're done. Again, this is the Tiffany unit from alisthair.com. You can purchase this on their website. It is a 20-inch full lace body wave unit, and it comes styled in these two goddess braids right here. They added an elastic band, and then there are 3 clips. So tell me what you guys think. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.